All right, scrappers, tool addicts, tool collectors, Ccscraps. Welcome. Good morning. How's everybody doing? So today it's tomorrow. Like if you caught my last video, it's today, but tomorrow. So I'm just getting loaded up. Electromagnet batteries got to go. Switch boxes. Some of this stuff may be sellable. I know I hate to. I'm not really into resale. I don't know much about it, but I mean, I think there's like something on eBay where you can sell stuff that you don't think works. It's for like fix or repair or parts or repair or something. So, and it's a cheaper price. So maybe I can do that because some of this stuff is like in the box brand new and I don't know like really what to do with it. Like, and it didn't get wet or anything. Like this, for instance. Like, I think this is some kind of little switch, maybe. Yeah. They're like, is it a switch? Can't see. Hold on. No, I'm sorry. It's a brand new camera lens for like, for a replacement. It's a camera lens. And it's brand new in the box. So like, this has got to be worth something, right? But I don't know. It looks new. I mean, it could be defective, and that's why they're not. So that's why I would have to sell it for that cheaper price. But I wouldn't even know how to go about it. I don't even know which one of these things costs. Maybe I'll Mrs. Ccscraps do a little investigation. She's really good like that. I'm surprised she doesn't resale. But anyway, let's get this crap loaded up, and we will get to the scrap yard. All right, y'all. We got the old truck loaded up. Lots of aluminum. Aluminum. Those electromagnets. Number 3 wire. Just some random tin. That's it. We're going to head to the yard, and we'll see you on the scale. All right, y'all. Ccscraps. We're at the yard waiting on the green on scale. Empire Recycling, Syracuse, New York. Oh, yeah. Hope you don't fall. Oh, come on. It's caught on the crappy coaxial. Let's do it this way. Let's build you up a little here. Is that better? I had the phone leaning on one of them electromagnets, so I didn't want to, get scrambled by the crap. So yeah, hope you like that view. Get that one? Oh. You know what, Scrappers? I forgot a bin of tin. That's okay, though. Oh, no, I didn't. It's back there hidden in the aluminum. Well, I think I probably should have offloaded that first. What do you think? Or pack that to the front of the truck. Dig it out. Here's the bin of tin I forgot. I thought I forgot. More tin back here, y'all. Make sure you go on Christina's. Make sure you all go on Christina's crystalline cooking channel and wish her a happy anniversary. Today's our anniversary. Together 7, married 6. You know, when I got married, I don't know, I woke up with a bump on my head and a ring on the finger. Mrs. Ccscraps doesn't want to get out of the truck. Holy cripes, that was buried, y'all. Alright, so I think we're good here. All the tin is out of the truck. Alright, so let's get back on the scale and we'll see you with the weigh in, the weigh out, and the payout. Alright, Scrappers, tool addicts, tool collectors, we're back from the scrapyard. Wish Mrs. Ccscraps a happy anniversary. It's our anniversary today. How long has it been, baby?
7 years together.
7
married.
years, 6 married. It's a long time. So we got one of our cats. This is not, or why not why. She had a cat like this before he passed, looked just like this one. So this one, the first one was named Why. So this one is not why not why not, or that's what I call it. And over here, she had another cat right here named Hollow. And we named this one Halloween, so this is like, they're all little 2.0s.
She's Weenie.
Weenie. Halloween, Weenie. Wiener. Ween. It's a cute one. Meow, meow, meow. Alright, so, got back to the scrapyard from the yard. So, excuse me. Alright, so I had 84 pounds of tin, $120 a ton, $4.50. Aluminum sheet, 14 pounds, 45 cents a pound, $6.30. I wonder what the aluminum sheet was. Number 3, insulated copper, 12 pounds, 33 cents a pound for $3.96. Now the cast aluminum, I had 246 pounds of that. That was all those cameras and those poles and everything you saw me breaking down in the video. 34 cents a pound for $83.64. Then there's more cast aluminum. Which was, maybe they gave me a different price, or the same. Why did they do that? That's weird. Oh, they weighed 2 bins. That's right, because I had a lot. So 34 cents a pound, $58.48. And then I had those electromagnet batteries, or those electromagnets. They just gave me tin for it, which I thought they were going to do. It was 200 pounds of that at $120 a gross ton. for $10.72 for a grand total of $167.60. Now that's how you hit it out of the park, y'all. We'll see you on the next one. Ccscraps. Peace.